Welcome to the Artshack. I'm Maggie. Artshack is a small, rural, creative space based just outside Shrewsbury, Shropshire.
You offer all sorts of different things. You can come and have a go at a certain technique if that's what you're interested in, or you can come and play with mixed media. We offer workshops in crafts, arts, painting, drawing.
It can be textiles, and with textiles we do machine embroidery, felting, printing on fabrics, weaving. We can do ceramics, we can do sculpture. So at the moment we're offering belly dance workshops. They're delivered by Jawad trained instructor Sue Lloyd. It's a back to basics workshop, so it's teaching the very basics of belly dance, so you don't have to have danced before.
It's a friendly atmosphere and you can try so many things that you've never done before, and there's always someone to help you with having a go at it.
But we're interested in supporting you, making you more creative and just having a really nice time experimenting with art.
They're so good at teaching you that it's just got a really relaxing feel about it. It's really nice.
I think it's fantastic. Definitely, it's great.
Have you?
Nice, happy place.
What's your highlights?
I'm not going to tell you. Eating a chocolate cake.
It's a very friendly, non-judgmental space. We have people here of all abilities, so you don't particularly have to be good at art when you start coming to Artshack, but if you are, it helps too.
You're first. Who are you? Okay, Maggie, tell us who you are.